Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any updated Android like 14, 15, 16, 13, and if your handset is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you had hard reset of your Samsung Android smartphone, then after hard reset when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome option, language option, start button and emergency call button. So after hard reset, when we'll go to set up your phone, let's check what happened to your phone. So go to the start option, go to the agree from this page. Yeah, one more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after connect to a Wi-Fi network, you have to go to the next option from this page. So here you can see after the factory data and hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock. It means your phone is not unlocked right now. But here you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account. Instead you have to tap on this one. You have to tap on this skip option. So here you can see it's again asking your pin pattern, it's asking your Gmail ID and password. Okay, so if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, so you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password to go to the next option and bypass this Gmail ID credential page. So if you have Gmail ID and password, you can go through this, and if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, I will tell you how you can bypass this page, because you can see here you're not getting any skip option in this page. So first of all, you will have to reach to the starting page here. So you can see here you have reached to the starting page. In this video, I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock, and this Google page is known as FRP lock. So this video is totally dedicated to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. So first of all, you will have to change your language from this page. First of all, you have to change the English India to English US. You can see here. Now after that, you have to tap on this next option. Now you will get another option that is showing here emergency call. You have to tap on this emergency call option. Here you have to dial a USSD code that is *#0*#. Now you will switch to a new page. Here you will get a lots of option on your page, but here you will get an option that is showing here sensor. Simply you have to tap on this sensor option. When you will tap on this sensor option, you will get some synchronizing option on your phone display. You can see here. So here you will have to tap here in this display option. Simply you have to tap on this display, and here you will have to wait until you get a 10 records on your phone display. Minimum 20 records, maximum there is no limit. So minimum when 20 records appear on your phone display, you can easily go to the back option. Okay. So you can see here minimum 10 records has been appeared on my phone display. Simply you have to go to the back option and reach to the starting page here. Now after that, you have to tap on this start option again, go to agree to all and go to the agree from here, go to the more and agree. Now when you will come on this Wi-Fi network page, here you will get an option that is showing here add network option. You have to tap on this one. Now after that, you will see an option that is showing here view more. You have to tap on this one. Now here you have to make some changes. First of all, you have to change this from DHCP to statics. Now here you will have to make some changes. Here you will have to type 999.00.222. You have to repeat the same in this. Here you have to repeat the same whatever is showing on your phone display. Now after that, you will get a setting option here. Simply you have to tap on this one. Now in this page, first of all, you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here reset to default setting. You have to tap on this page. From here you have to, first of all, you have to reset and erase from here. Now after that, go to the back option here. Now here you have to tap on this option that is showing here language and types. And here you have to again change switch off this. Go to the back option. Come on this option, and here you will have to type and here you have to type the USSD what you had used. Go to the back option. The last setting what you have to change, you have to come to the option that will show your mode. Layout from default to alternative and apply from here. Now go to the back, come to the starting page here. Now all the settings has been done. Let's check your FRP has been bypassed or not. So simply you have to tap on this start option. Now you have to tap on this next option. Now tap on this not copy. So here you can see now you are getting here a skip option where the Gmail ID and the password was asking. Now you don't need to remember your Gmail ID and password because your phone's FRP lock has been removed. You can see here, you can get here skip option and simply you can tap on this skip option to go to the next page. Now you won't start anywhere after this FRP bypass. You can easily set up your phone. So make sure use a new pattern or pin or a password lock, whatever you want. After FRP bypass, go to the OK. Go to the next. Skip from this page. You will get a pop-up that you're all set up. Simply you have to tap on this finish option. You have to tap on this done. Simply have to tap on this finish. So here you can see the Samsung Android smartphone has been unlocked, FRP bypassed, and you can see here the new pattern what I had applied to my phone is working or not. So you can see here it's working. It means your phone has been completely FRP bypassed and pin pattern and password removed. So thank you so much.